Presenting the 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection and brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.